This one is one of our traditional dishes. This is a crispy flatbread with creme fraiche, smoked salmon, and caviar. The bread is cut out in the shape of an Oscar, and we make 3,500 of them. So it's a lot of smoked salmon. We are doing the Oscars for 25 years, which is really amazing. I remember the first time we did it downtown at the Shrine Auditorium, where we built a kitchen in the parking lot. It was raining and windy. It was so difficult. Now we have 2 state-of-the-art kitchens, so it makes it much easier. I really believe the movie industry is worldwide. Like when you see there are movies in France, in Italy, in England, and now Mexico is really strong. You know, they have Roma again. So that way, our cooking here is a little bit like that. We have influences from Asia, from Italy, France, like we have a loup de mer grilled like in France.